Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna teach you that how to enhance quality like After Effects. Firstly, see the preview, then we will start. Firstly, open Capcut and add the clip. Trim the clip as per you needed. Click on Adjustment and do Saturation to 15 and Sharpen to 40. Export the clip in full quality. Now open Vmake. Click on Image Quality and AI Repair. If you want Vmake app, then comment APK. Okay, now add your clip and image quality to 3 and resolution to 1080p. Export and save. Now you can see the difference. Now open Effico app and add your clip and do Sharpen to 30 and Structure to 66 and save. Finally, open Alight Motion and add your video. Now add your CC, and if you want my CC, then I will give you CC in my next video. And if you want to add more quality, then again you have to go to the Vmake and AI Repair. Thanks for watching and do not forget to subscribe.